Hello fellow YouTubers, today I'm going to show you how to enter BIOS configuration settings and boot menu option for an HP Stream 14s-dq0504sa 14-inch laptop. Okay, let's start. I will need you to restart your laptop in Windows. If your laptop is already off, then power on the laptop and keep tapping the F10 key. Yes guys, keep tapping the F10 key until you're in BIOS. Right, let me zoom in. This key guys. Right, we have now entered BIOS. I will flick through and show you which settings you can change. You can pause at any time. Okay, it's time to exit BIOS and enter boot menu option. So once the laptop restarts, you've got to keep tapping the F9 key. I'm zooming in, F9 for boot menu. So as you can see from the screen, boot menu options, this is how it looks like. Any external device attached to USB will show up here. Thanks for watching.